Hi, I am Thalia MK at Law 2.0 Conference, Dubai Winter 2022, and I have with me Mr. Vikram Nath. He is works at a legal firm which is Aretha Legal, and he also was awarded for outstanding leadership. First of all, congratulations for that. Tell us about you and tell us about your company and how it all started.
Thank you so much for inviting me here, and thanks for the award. Well, I'm the founder partner of Aretha Legal, and this is a law firm. It's a law firm with 5 offices now. We are in New Delhi, Bangalore. These are the 2 big offices, and then we have Bombay, Hyderabad, and Cochin. So, to give you a background, it was just about 3 years ago. A couple of like-minded lawyers, we came together and we decided to have a good, a small firm with a good connect with the clients. And that's when we thought that why not come together and start this firm where we can give one-to-one, advice to our clients, because they would be, I think they're generally very comforted when it comes to lawyers having a good one-to-one rapport with them. So that's when we decided to come up with this, and then we are 7 partners, in different experience sets. So I look after generally dispute resolutions and M&A, whereas there are other partners who are dealing with labor and employment, infrastructure, banking, private equity, and so on and so forth.
Amazing. So, are your services are available only in India, or if anybody wants your services and they like your work and want to be contact you outside? I understand that everywhere else there is different laws, and not every one can work and go at the court. But are the services available for your company outside? Like I will talk about Middle East.
Well, yes. As lawyers, what we do is that we do practice. We are registered attorneys in India, but what we can do is that we can always have our connections in, for instance, in Dubai. We have our good friends relations with law firms which are based here. Now, how it works is that generally speaking, law firms, I mean, as lawyers, we are registered with the particular country's bar association, so we're not allowed really to practice outside our jurisdictions. But we always have good friends everywhere. So, there are law firms and lawyers who are good friends from back in the law school. I mean, for instance, I studied in US. So when I was studying in US, there were many friends who came from Dubai, Germany, all over the world. So we made good connections, and they're good enough to help me out whenever my clients need something outside India.
Okay, so as we were talking about laws, how does it feel when you go across the globe and see different kind of laws, rules? What came to your mind to take a step forward and stand on your own and start as you are receiving a leadership award? That must be something really inspirational, so anybody can take notes. So anything you can say?
I think just I would say just go for your calling and do if your passion leads you to some place, then do that, and I think you can achieve it. And I think talking about leadership, it's not about. I think leadership would come automatically if you're doing something which you want to do. So I don't think you need some push or anything like that. Right.
So, as everybody knows, laws, when it comes to laws and lawyer, there's a lot of studying. And people who wants to run away from studying, what advice you want to give them who want to just take a shortcut? Are there any shortcuts?
No, there are no shortcuts. If you want to do law, then I mean I always tell this to my colleagues, my junior colleagues especially, that if you want to be a good lawyer, you need to read as much as possible. And now, of course, I see my junior colleagues on the screen, and in the courts also, everybody has an iPad. Well, it's good, but I have glasses, so I refrain from going on screen. But I think there are no shortcuts. You need to study, and you need to read a lot.
So your experience at Law 2.0 conference, there are not only law conferences, there are internet marketing, and it's kind of a whole package. How is your experience of learning and networking when it comes to this conference?
Yeah, well, I'll take the second question first. Networking is very good. I met wonderful people all from all over the world. I think this is a very good forum to be connected with many people from all over the world, and the experience is very good, fantastic, because I mean, I get to learn new aspects of law as well. So a lawyer is always a student of law. Even if we pass out from law schools, we still learn, and I think everybody, that's true for any other profession. You are a student all the rest of your lives, and I think these conferences are nothing but an institution where we can be exposed to many aspects which we are not really exposed to when we are back home, when we are in our home country. So I think in both aspects, I really loved the experience over here.
Thank you so much. Congratulations for your award. If anybody wants to avail your services or wants to collaborate or take your advice, then how can they contact you?
Pretty simple. I think we are on. All of us are on internet. We have we have the website. The website gives you the email, the phone numbers. We are on WhatsApp. We are on LinkedIn. So anybody can find us there. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. And as you said, there are no shortcuts. If you want to be something, work hard for it. And this is Talia MK signing off. Have a great day.